Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crystal here. It's time for some game dev. What's up, Water Tart? How you doing? Good to see you. Alright, let's roll. Happy Wednesday. Good. Good was good. Alright. Ooh, why are my timestamps not on? Hold on. I changed time. Ad appearance? There it is. Got it. Cool. Alright. We are going to be working on today a couple things. Let me just bring up my Asana board. If you guys already don't know about the Kickstarter, it's right there. Thing right here. You hit that notify button. It's pretty cool. Just saying, you know, being completely real about it. Pretty cool. See what's going on here. Let's change out the font to fonts we need. We have 5 cards to put the game in for. Forgot about that. Okay, arcane barrier is what? Your cards in this room get +2 health. I can't believe I never did that. I forgot to add 5 cards of logic. 5 cards of logic. Oh Lord, 5 cards of logic. Well, load please. Okay. Okay. Spell. Play spell. There it is. Case. Arcane barrier. Alright, so the easiest way to go about doing this to this side. Go. Okay. Owner deck. Owner deck. So dead true. Card itself false. There we go. Let's just take a card. This. Cool. Sorry for all the noise, guys. Okay. So. Alright, so we're gonna have to set this up as a list. Okay, so this is gonna be a list of cards that is called a barrier side, run a for loop, a barrier dot count. If a barrier does a barrier return creature characters only, or does it return characters and spell? It returns characters and spell. If health is greater than 0, so it does not include spells. But I can double check it. Sanity check doesn't help. Doesn't hurt, right? Dot attribute equals spell continue. A barrier I dot health. Oh, the extra health plus equals 2. Second. Easy card. That's sure. Okay. What does Disruptive Echo do? Where is Disruptive? What do you do? Ads over now. Go. Yo, what's up? And there's a lot of ads. Which is not, they're not skimping on ads anymore, huh? Disruptive Echo. Draw 2 cards, your opponent gains +3 power to each realm. Okay. Do I have a spot on the realms for extra power? Not, we're going to now. Greedy fucker. Yeah, they are. Int extra power player extra power. And then when we add everything up in this spot, is player winning total power player. E plus equals extra power player. Okay. What was that for the pop? Extra power component. Okay. So what else does that spell do? Draw 2 cards. Okay, so draw 2 cards. Your opponent gets +3 attack power in each realm. Okay. Play Disruptive Echo. Disruptive Echo. Draw 2 cards. Draw card 2. Yeah. Okay. For loop through all I through game turn manager all POIs. Okay. This is all POIs. I dot. This needs to, I don't know whether it's going to be the opponent or not. But if owner deck equals player deck dot extra power opponent. Okay. Else cool. We're actually going to also do here. We're going to do yield return. Wait for seconds. Game turn manager. Wait between things. Cool. Okay. I want to do a for loop here. Do owner deck. Right. That way it's draw, power increase. Love it. Cool. Okay, Disruptive Echo should be okay. Let me bring you to awaiting approval. Alright, Enchanted Veil. What do you do? Next spell played here does not activate. Now we need to have side of interests. Sorry, guys. Oof. That came out of nowhere. And we're going to call this ignored abilities. 0. Okay. So we play Enchanted Veil. Whatever this realm is. Abilities plus. Okay. Play a spell based on if if this realm dot ignored abilities is greater than 0, then we just this realm dot ignored abilities minus bool ignore equal false or is true, and then if this happens, ignore is false, right? And don't ignore. Okay. So then we can go here and play spell. I can really just go like this, and I can go. No, wait. That worked already. Annabelle worked already. We're good. Okay. Will that work? Heavy lifting. Okay. Illusionary Gambit and Mystic Resonance. If I remember correctly, Mystic Resonance is really strong. Draw a card, fill your hand with copies of it. Yeah, that's disgusting. Alright. Mystic Resonance. Case. Mystic Resonance. Break. Can I also create a... So it's going to be underdecked that draw card. Right? However, I would love to do an outputs the actual card that gets drawn. Public void, draw card. Int amount is 1. Void. Draw card. Out. Card D. I think so. It's literally gonna be this. Always gonna draw one card. This always draws one card. Okay. So now we go like this. Okay. Always gonna be 1. Okay. And return null. Return null. Oh. Card C. C equals null. C. Turn out C. No, okay, so wait, so C equals null. That's all I gotta do, because it returns it anyway. Cool. C equals null. Then I can, I can C equals null return. Got it. I'm following now. Okay. So now, spell. Move at 0. C equals this guy. Right. Okay. Now I can get whatever that is. This is going to be draw card. Ooh, I can do, okay. Card, mist, reso equals card. Oh. So it still has an out C. How does this do this? Out card C. I don't know how to do out. I don't think I know how it works. I thought I knew how it works, but I don't think I know how it works. Bummer. How does that? How do I get this to return that value? Out missed resin. Fix it. Is that gonna fix it? That's not gonna fix it. Okay, this is just this, and then I need to have card. Okay, so card draw, right? And this can be the Miss Rezo. Out draw. Not working. Oh, I see. This just becomes okay. This becomes missed reso, out missed reso. I see. I see how it works now. Okay. So now we can do a for loop of owner deck dot max hand size minus owner deck dot hand cards in hand dot count. Okay. We do a create quick card. So card manager. So UI manager instance add card to hand. Card is gonna be create quick card. The card manager create. Is it not that? Is it game turn manager? Create quick card. Okay. Is that how we do it? Is that how it's done in Mysterious Blade. No, it's just add card. Add card. Alright, so add card to hand, and we need the card. Card is going to be Miss Rezo, game object. Okay. If Miss Rezo is equal to null, not equal to null, do this. That means that there's nothing on our hand, right? Okay. That means you don't have anything in your deck. So, add card to hand. Okay, we can make sure here that if owner deck cards in hand count is greater than or equal to owner deck max hand size, we just continue. Helps if I can spell continue. It's not this game object. It is Miss Rezo game object. Copy of it. How does Corpse Bride do it? No, I guess that would be it. It would be exactly how that works. Right, let me go back to here. Pond, mirror. Magic Mirror spawns a card. This literally just puts a card. Create add card. Random card, create a quick card. Possible card. Cards is collectible. Card. Okay. Yeah, that checks out. Okay, so they're literally just gonna add card to hand. It just works. Card to hand and object. Need to do it at owner deck. Okay, that should be it, I think. It seems not like, it doesn't seem like enough stuff. You know what I mean? Doesn't seem like enough. Alright, and what was Illusionary Gambit? Illusionary Gambit. Swap 2 cards in your opponent's hand with 2 cards from your deck. Okay. We have Mind Mill. Okay. Illusionary Gambit. Okay. Card C1. C2. Okay. Declare this one too. Okay. Definitely this. If owner deck cards in hand count is greater than 0. C1 equals other side. C1's that guy. C2 also that guy. Now we can do a while loop. C2 is equal to C1. C2 has to set itself again, right? This is if owner deck cards in hand count greater than 1. Right? This isn't going to be the owner deck. It's going to be the opponent's deck. Cool. Okay. So now have both cards set, right? Now we need to just pick 2 cards in. Okay, so then we need to do C1. So we need to add it to the deck. So first thing is do a card. Card C equals owner deck dot random card deck. Okay. The C deck. Okay. As long as if owner deck dot deck dot count is greater than 0. Then do this. What was that about? Okay. Alright, so owner deck, cards in the deck shuffle that counts greater than 0. Get a random card in the deck, and then we are going to swap that out. So now we will do C1, or we will do owner deck dot add card to deck, C deck dot C card. No? C1 dot C for that card data dot name placer. Shuffle. True. No, not a shuffle. We're just gonna literally place them. Okay. Then we will take C. We'll take C deck and add it to your hand. Okay. So then we will do game turn manager, other deck. This dot add card to hand. Actually it becomes UI. Actually, so okay, so it becomes game turn manager. UI manager, add card to hand. Yeah. And it's going to be C deck dot game object. C deck, deck manager, it's going to be game turn manager dot other deck. Okay. Then we will owner deck dot discard card. C1 false. C1 false. C1 false. And not owner deck. Oof. Okay. Now, if we do the same thing here. Okay. So this is where we do this. 2. The deck gets a new guy. C2, C deck's a new guy. That should work. Seems kind of like a train wreck, but C1. Do C1. Out. At this point, C1 is missing. Maybe, right? You check here. You check if C1 is not equal to null. Check here and do all of this. No, that's gonna happen without C1 either. Okay. And here, you literally do if C2 not equal to null. This should work. Alright, awesome. What a disaster. Okay. What do I get from making hard cards? Alright. Let us go in and test those. So... Lakea Gaming with the raid. What's up? What's good? What are you doing? Everyone from Lakea Gaming channel. Lakea Gaming's channel. Welcome, my name is Krasenstein. I make video games. We are currently working on a game called World of Grimm, which we're about to start testing cards for. We just got 5 new logic pieces for cards in the game. If you don't already know about our Kickstarter, it's right there. You can check it out. We have a whopping 210 people that are following the project. You can be one of those as well. Basically, what World of Grimm is a 5-minute card match. I'll show you in a quick second. This is World of Grimm. World of Grimm has a deck system. There are 14 card decks. You can build them any way you like. You can unlock cards as you play. This card unlock screen just by playing the game. It's going to be a free-to-play game, and the only thing that will be costing money will be basically anything cosmetic. That's about it. There's no pay-to-win. Not a thing. Thanks so much for the raid, much appreciated. If you're not already following Lakea Gaming, awesome dev. Awesome dev. Working on a new space flying, going through the ring, like the Star Fox X-Wing mini game where you fly through the rings to go faster stuff. He's turned into a game, and I love that. How'd your stream go, bud? What's new? Yo, GD Christ, what's up, dude? Good to see you. Alright, we have to unlock, so we have to cheat. Shout out, stream was good. You finished in the basics of split screen mode. Sick. It's awesome. Okay, so let's go in. We have a couple new spells that we need to go in and check out. Our Mystic Resonance. So okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new deck here. We're gonna create space for this. We have what? Illusionary Gamble, Enchantment Veil. These 3. Mystic Resonance and everything. Oh, and Arcane Barrier. Okay, Arcane Barrier. Split screen mode sounds really exciting though. Okay, just Echo. Fail. We need one more spot. Okay. Why do these not hover? Gotta fix that. Hover down here? They do hover down here. Odd. Been doing knockout tournament mode for local play? That's really cool. Is that what have people been asking for that? That's very awesome. Okay, so let's test some cards. Here we go. Okay. Illusionary Gambit, swap 2 cards your opponent's hand and 2 cards from your deck. Enchanted Veil, Mind Meld. Okay. Sit down. This is the game, guys. And every turn, the first 3 turns, a new realm reveals itself. It's from a group of about 38 realms currently. This one, the town square, does not have any abilities. This one, Exclusion Zone, cards don't have any abilities. And we have one that's about to reveal too. Notice when you go to events, you figure you might as well go in the game you're making anyway. Makes sense to me. Draw 2 cards, your opponent gets 3 power at each realm. See what happens. Oh, cards with no effects. Box, come in. Sick. That worked out. Frontal Echo is perfect. Whoa, why is Mystic Resonance so big? Why are you so enormous? Okay. You attend gaming festivals in the UK twice a year. Tournaments are great there. It gets a crowd around the stand. That's awesome. What a cool idea, man. Alright, Mystic Resonance should draw me a card, and I should get 3 cards out of it. Right. So I have 7, so that wasn't enough. So I have 2 Cinderella. 3 Cinderella. Okay. So let's see here. So if I go like this, Mind Meld. So Enchanted Veil, stop. Why is it going up? Like, this not locked? Enchanted Veil should stop Mind Meld from doing anything. But I mean, Kappa sounds good. Good. Okay. So now the question I have here is the Enchanted Veil, did it use up one of the abilities? Realm. Yep, ignored ability 0. So that did work. Okay. Long screen load. Okay. Now this is telling me. So far, so good, right? Illusionary Gambit is swap 2 cards in your opponent's hand with 2 cards from you. You can play. Can't even play Arcane Barrier yet. Let's play Illusionary Gambit. Play us. It didn't remove cards from my deck. I don't think. Did it give cards? I think it did. Okay, so it did not remove cards from my deck, so I need to do that stuff. Okay. So the last thing is Arcane Barrier. Oh, here. How's it? Come on, you can do it. It worked. Arcane Barrier did not pop abilities, but it worked. Okay. Good to know. So the Arcane Barrier needs to pop number. Alright, so we need to do a barrier pop. A true false. Okay. So they all worked, except for drawing 2 cards and putting them. Oh wait, so Disruptive Echo worked. Mystic Resonance. Max hand size is 8. Partner is 4. Let's count +1. Right? Because we could do. Excuse me. So this is 0 to 7. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 8 minus 4, or 8 minus 5 cards in your hand. Give us 3. Should have worked. That should have worked. That's weird they only gave us 2. They should give us 3. It's stuff. Okay. But why? If cards in hand dot count greater than or equal to max hand. I don't see a problem with that. That's weird. Logically, that makes sense, right? You go back later. Okay. Something over here that is blocking. Try that. Okay. Oh, that's an easy fix too. So I can literally go here. These are all go. Patch. Is Goose Girl added? Yeah, that's right. Then we have the Beggar Woman. Or Beggar Woman is saved in. Gotta add her. So, cat was being annoying. Okay. Do the Beggar Woman. Variants. One. Pixel variant. Okay. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Resolution wise. Did I unlock everything again, or do I need to go back in and unlock stuff? I'm gonna go back in and unlock stuff. This. So zoomed in. Pretty hard to get a good. -24, -35, 25, -35. Screenshot it. Appreciate that. Has anyone been watching the game festival stuff? Any of the game showcases? 24, -25, -35 points. Game does not give control of move card to new. Okay. Really? Match. Realm manager, game manager, turn manager. Why is that so big? What's wrong with Mr. President? Why is it so massive? Weird bug. Real weird bug. Player hand visibility, player hand, Mystic Resonance is full, everything else is 0.6. Is that because of it being... I don't even know. Manager. Game. Odd. Bell. Maybe it has to do with the prefab for it? Thick resonance. Gotta be. It's weird though. No other spells are like that. How did that one get? Why did that one get that one? That one got the shorthand. For some random reason. Okay. Let's make sure that Arcane is the second area. Okay. Cards here and move to the other side. How this needs to work is cards revealed here and moved, so they get moved after being revealed. So I'm doing this wrong. Basically getting it. Right? Because this fox. Back to million. This fox thinks. This fox still thinks it's the player's one. So it needs to move the card to the other side, but it needs to do it correctly, right? So when the card flips, so flip card, right? Flip card, card play action occurring. Do the card play action, right? True on complete. After the card play action happens, then we need to see if the realm. Okay. So, if this realm, dot current realm, dot RName placer equals, that's when we move it. We move this here, right? So we need to move to other side. Change ownership true. Means that this is wrong. New card to the other side. That parent owner deck is card holder. This owner other. Doesn't matter. Owner deck's always other. Right? Owner deck is always other. That doesn't matter. If owner deck was player. Leave that. Owner deck is other deck. Okay. Then set the parent the other side. Right? Change ownership is true. Take the player deck, add a card to the opponent. Move this card. Okay. That should work. I don't like where this currently sits. The card the other side. I don't like where this one here. I don't like this. It's in the wrong spot, to be completely fair. I think this happens the wrong time. Okay. Then, so if those are the wrong time for everything, then we're in here now. Not a Rapunzel though. Right? You do this here. Or the other side, true. Rapunzel's one needs to change ownership also, though. Doesn't it? Okay. Wait, hold on. Remove that happens already now, right? Yeah. Cleaned up Rapunzel. Alright. Now. Okay. This might work right here. Right. If this is a thing, we will yield return new, wait for seconds. Return manager. And expression. No, of course it is. Okay, then. Guess we're not going to do that. Okay. X. Do all this stuff, then we check to see if this is. That might fix it. Right. You do the effects and then you move it away. As in. Be able to put 2 cards there. Right. Did not activate. That's because our transformer has been destroyed. Label. Well, that's not making it easy. Label marker 15, place label 72. If instance.label object not equal to null. I'm not sure I understand that one. Weird bug. Shouldn't have been a bug, honestly, because it has nothing to do with the actual game. We're still labeling. Okay. Those are still working. To the correct one. Okay. You're telling me that this is not going to activate? Is that because of only play that card? Doesn't always activate? Maybe. If so, very weird. Nice. Okay then. Work out. So I should draw a card then. I draw the card. I drew the card. I both drew the card? I don't understand. All 2 cards upon it. What is happening? What chaos? Okay. Not how that works. Okay, so that's not right. Right. This needs to check invoke effects. And inside that, after we check for invoke effects. Invoke. After all the invoke effects, right? Or the other side. Okay. Then spell, same thing. Okay. These can definitely be like that. Sure. After the activate invoke again, it's in here. That might fix that. It's part of the invoke stuff, right? Last test. Our manager. Okay. Also, they're bringing in for us is kind of focused. The other. Freaking change. Why? This realm, current realm, placer is this on the other side true. Why? Why is that not working there? Update game board. Oh, that why. No, it can't be it. Did this actually end up moving the visibly? Player cards. Nope, it did not. Weird. Still a weird bug. Don't know exactly how to fix that yet. Not working. Alright guys, with that, it's the end of the stream. Gotta get my kids ready for school. Very exciting day. Always a good thing. The last day of school for the 7-year-old. So let's go raid somebody. Let's see who's live on the internet webs. GD Crates later, buddy. Talk to you soon. This should be an awesome as always. Let's see here. Let's go and raid somebody. Who is live? Live again tomorrow, same time, same place. Only getting one kid ready for school instead of 2. Let's go over to Hello Comics is a super cool developer making some game music for Magnet Jack. Magnet Jack is the game that Flip Switch X is making, and Hello Comics is the composer. Super awesome dude. Let's go raid him, and I'll see you guys real soon. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.